Hello! So today I thought I'd show you all how I pack my different types of wigs for conventions. So to start with, we have our basic short wig. It's only this long, it's not styled. So for these, you're just going to take a plastic gallon bag, and you want your wig to lay flat in the bag, like that, and then just zip it up, squish the air out, and your wig is ready for transport. Now, for big, poofy, frizzy wigs, this one's meant to be a mess. You're going to take a simple wig net or hair net. These come when you order the wig, and you're going to go all around this wig to catch all of the fibers inside of the wig net. Once you have made it all the way around the wig net, you're going to continue in order to sort of squish it down until you've got just a ball that without all the flyaways. And then again, pop this into a gallon bag. And since these ones are messy, you can just kind of stuff these into the bag. And you want to, again, squish for packing space and seal the air out of it so that it takes up less room in your suitcase. The next type of wig is the long wig. For curly wigs or wavy wigs, you can braid them, and that way they won't get tangled. You want to separate it into the part that goes on either side in the front of your shoulders and the part that goes in the back. And you're going to braid those three segments, and then put a ponytail holder on it, and then I tuck the ends into the sort of head part of the wig, like that, so that I now effectively have this like short wig. From there, it goes into another wig net, like so. And then it goes into its plastic bag. And the plastic bag are so just in case anything spills while you're traveling, it doesn't make a mess of your wig, because wigs tend to be fairly expensive and you don't want them getting ruined. Next type of wig I'm going to show you is my own trick for long wigs that you need to stay straight. What I use is a fishnet glove. Now, for this, you are going to, let's see, how do I want this? Yeah, you take the end with the little thumb hook, if one end has the thumb hook, goes at the top of your hand, like this, so it should be at this part. There's the little hook for the thumb. Then you pull this onto your hand, pinch the top of the wig, and pull this down the wig. And this will keep the fibers straight without the wave effect that the braiding tends to have. So you want it to get as much of it inside the tube as you can. Then take the ends of it and hook those through the thumb strap. This will keep your wig nice and neat and together like that without it getting all wavy. And once again, it goes into the plastic bag and gets squished for safe travel and convenience. And the last type of wig I'm going to show you today is styled wigs. So for me, I have my wig for Ritsuka, which has ears, and the sides are like specifically supposed to stick out like that, and it's got this little triangle on it. So I don't want to squish this up in a bag. So what I'm going to do with this is get one of these little cube organizer things. They fold up real flat. They usually go in like the 3x3 bookcases. You just pop this up, stick the bottom into this, and you have a box. Once you have your box, you are going to, one, make sure your wig is pinned on the hook on the head, as mine was not. So make sure your wig is pinned in place. And once your wig is pinned, you're then going to take and put the wig head into the box so that the base of the, and then, wig head into box. Then you're going to take some plastic bags or anything soft you can use for packing, and you're going to stuff those in around the base of the wig head. This will keep your wig head from flying around, and it will protect it if anything happens. So just stuff those in there until your wig is nice and safe. So now my wig looks like this. It's staying in position even though I've turned it over, which is exactly what we want. And that's how that will ship to my convention. I hope this helps. Keep your wigs safe. Until next time, Cosnerd out.